Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video ay i-represent ko po sa inyo yung articulated tasks na nagagawin niyo po. Especially to my students. So let me share my screen. This is articulated task sa third quarter na. Okay? So this is articulated task third quarter para sa grade 4 pupils. So this is our team, service-oriented Rotarians exploring energy and patterns in everyday life. Articulated siya sa science, math, and healing. So ito po yung ating transfer goal. The learners are expected to demonstrate an understanding that science processes are used to gain deeper understanding about the properties of light, sound, and heat, and identify the missing element in a pattern and number sentence through performing tasks carefully and cautiously. So ito po yung ating transfer goal. This is your goal, yung grasp natin. Your goal is to create a prototype or simple device from locally available materials to demonstrate how sound travels, showcasing understanding of scientific processes and mathematical patterns while performing tasks carefully and cautiously. So your role is you are a young scientist and engineer. Audience, your teachers, students, co-students, our classmates, and families. This is the situation. It is Science Week at school. You are invited as one of the speakers to handle the topic. Show how sounds travel and how to reduce the potential danger of sound at home and in school. So gagawa kayo ng prototype, mag-iimbento kayo ng prototype, prototype tool or any invention related to sound. So naimbitahan kayo para mag-iisang speaker para magbigay ng information ba dito about how sound travel and how to reduce the potential danger of sound at home and in school. Okay, so ito po yung product na gagawin po ninyo. Ipapakita nyo po, ipapresent nyo po kasi dadalo nga kayo ng na Science Week, di ba? Makikita nyo po doon sa previous slides. So ito po yung product nyo. Optional po ito. You can choose option A, B, C, and D. So your product is a working prototype or simple device that clearly shows how sound travels. So document your design process and the steps taken to ensure your device performs the intended task carefully and cautiously. So option A, create a string telephone using these materials: paper cups, strings, paper clips, push pins, and scissors. Option B, create a sound wave box by using these materials: cardboard box, plastic wrap or cling film, rubber bands, small objects, tape, and scissors. Option C, make a DIY drum using these materials: balloon, rubber band, cardboard, or plastic container, and scissors. Option D, build a straw pan flute using these materials. Several plastic drinking straws, scissors, and tape at saka ruler. Okay, these are the criteria. The scientific understanding kung saan you demonstrate a thorough understanding of sound travel principles, how sound travels, clearly explains how sound waves travel through the prototype. Kaya, kailangan nyo ng prototype kasi nga naimbitahan kayo para maging speaker, mag-explain paano nga ba nagta-travel yung sound. So, i-demonstrate nyo yun gamit yung prototype. Next is design and construction. Prototype is well designed and carefully constructed using appropriate materials. Mga materials na kailangan nyo in building, in making your prototype. Next is safety and caution. 5 points to 5 points. Demonstrates exceptional care and caution in performing tasks. Identifies and follows all safety guidelines. Creativity, show exceptional creativity in design and use of materials. And presentation, dahil nga magiging speaker kayo sa isang event sa Science Week sa school. So, 5 points. Presentation is clear, well-organized, and engaging. Effectively communicates the design process and scientific principles. Next, another articulated task for grade 3. Third quarter din po ito. This is the theme of your articulated task, second articulated task. Service-oriented Rhetorians expressing faith and wellness through dance. So, articulated po itong task na to sa CLE, English, PE, and Health. So, ito po yung transfer goal na nabuo combining these subjects. The learners are expected to demonstrate how Jesus leads to the Father, incorporating appropriate nonverbal cues like facial expressions, gesture, and eye contact to enhance clarity, context, purpose, and meaning while promoting community wellness through creating and performing a rhythmic dance. Alam nyo na, magiging ano nyo dito, output. So this is your goal. Your task is to create and perform a rhythmic dance that demonstrate how Jesus leads to the Father, incorporating appropriate nonverbal cues to enhance clarity, context, purpose, and meaning while promoting community wellness. So your role, you are a faith ambassador and a wellness advocate tasked with creating a dance performance that illustrates spiritual teachings and promotes active, healthy living. So, dance performance ang inyong dito, pinaka-output. So, your audience, community members who are interested in understanding the connection between spiritual health and physical wellness through dance. Situation. In your community, there is a desire to promote both spiritual growth and physical health. Your task is to create a dance performance that communicates the teachings of Jesus leading to the Father and encourages active and healthy living. And this is your product. Create and perform a rhythmic dance that illustrates key teachings of how Jesus leads to the Father, emphasizing the strengthening of spiritual health, uses appropriate nonverbal cues to enhance the performance. Also promotes community wellness through engaging in active participation. So mahaba lang yan, pero ang pinaka-product nyo po dyan ay dance performance. So, yun lang po. And ito pala yung criteria na pagbabasihan natin. First is understanding of teaching, CLE, demonstrate a thorough understanding of how Jesus leads to the Father clearly and integrates this teaching into the dance. Nonverbal cues uses facial expression, gestures, and eye contact effectively to enhance clarity, context, and meaning. Participation in rhythmic activities actively participates in and performs rhythmic dance activities with high energy and precision. Promotion of wellness effectively promotes community wellness through dance, highlighting its benefits for active and healthy living. And syempre, yung engagement engages the audience thoroughly with a well-organized and dynamic dance performance. Okay. So, hanggang doon na lang ang ating vlog for today. So, yun po yung mga articulated tasks na gagawin nyo this quarter. And thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you po.